My name's Peter Cameron. I'm the director of the CEPMLP, that's the Centre for Energy, Petroleum, Mineral Law and Policy at the University of Dundee. We're a specialist institution. We focus on education in the energy sector, and we offer an LLM in law, various kinds of law, an MSc in various kinds of economics and management, and a PhD for people who want to study for a longer period of time. We've got 15 people on campus. We've got a global faculty, people who fly in from time to time, and about 60 of those who come and talk to our students. The real problems in energy tend to be problems that involve different disciplines. So we have those different disciplines, mostly in the field of governance rather than, say, engineering, and we examine those problems from the angle of law and economics and management. One of the questions I always get is about jobs. What happens when you've got a degree here and you move on? We've got a terrific alumni network. More than 5,000 students have been to the centre and they've graduated. And from that, at the moment, I think we have something like 5 ministers in different countries around the world. In the private sector or in state companies, we have our former students in many companies all around the world, usually the largest companies as well. To prepare people for this step, and also to prepare them for international organizations, which can be quite a useful place to work in, we arrange internships. So basically here, what we try and do is target the best students and offer them these opportunities. Why do I like it here? Why is it so much fun? I think there are probably 2 things that come to my mind. First of all, energy is just always changing. It's highly international. It's constantly in a process of change, particularly now with this so-called energy in transition process. And it's so exciting to be part of this massive change. And probably the other thing for me that's so much fun is to see how we have students from different parts of the world. Some of those countries I've been to, quite a few I've been to, but I'm always interested in those countries that I haven't been to. And every year there's at least one student that's come from some place that is completely new to me. It's great fun being here, and I hope you're going to come and join us. You're very welcome.